with me to find out an incredible ammonite on the beach. Ammonites are one of my favourite things to find, and this one is really special. The fossil is somewhere here. Let me know when you find it. Fossils form over millions of years as the original materials get replaced by sediments in the rock. When the shell gets buried quickly in the sea and doesn't have a lot of oxygen, it can be felled by iron pyrite or false gold. This is what makes it shiny, which I think is really extraordinary. See you next time on Perry's Amazing Museum of Fossil Facts.